No, sir. Somewhere here is it is correct. Till now it is correct. 92.
92, then king d5, king d3,
Then D5. King D5. Bishop D4. King D6. King D5. King D6. Knight D4 check. King D6.
knight e5.
Knight D4 check.
King d5, I wrote by mistake, it's not a check.
King D. Knight D4. Okay, no problem. Knight D4. King D6. Bishop D6. King D6. Bishop C4. King F6. Knight F3. King D6. Knight D5 check. King D7. King D5. King C6. King C6.
Wait, 7, king c7.
King D7. Knight D6 check. King D7. Knight D4 check. Knight D4 check. King C7. Knight D4 check. King D7. Bishop D4. King D6.
Bishop d4,
King D6. King C6. King D5. King C5. King D6. Bishop D5. King D7. Knight D4. King C8. King C6. This is the first position. Okay. King D8. Then King D6. King C8. King C6. This is the second position. Okay. King D8. King D6. King C8. Knight D6. King D7. King D7. King D7. Knight D7. Knight D7.
c7.
C7. Yes, sir. Knight C7. King C8. King D6. King D8.
It's a 3-4.
No. Knight D1.
Actually, the position got repeated 3 times.
No. 189, black 0. Next, Anuruddha. 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 189, Anuruddha, black.
We have Anup Rao here with us. Anup Rao just checkmated his opponent with bishop and knight, but it was not easy. He battled for I think more than 3 hours, and during the bishop and knight checkmate, your opponent made a threefold claim. So what happened? Were you sure that you did not repeat the moves?
I was very sure. I mean, King C6, King C8 was his claim. He saw King C6, King C8 repeat again and again. So he thought that is a threefold repetition. But my knight had moved, so the position didn't repeat again. So he thought it would threefold repetition, and again to make 70-80 moves and in time pressure, arbiter made us do. I know its rules. Made us repeat 70-80 moves. It was a little stressful again. I mean, I tried not to go to that end game, but unfortunately I went to that end game.
So did you know how to do checkmate with bishop and knight, or you figured it out over the board?
No. Sadly, I have this is the only tournament I didn't prepare. But before any tournament I go, I used to prepare double bishops. And I thought when I see knight and bishop, I was like, this scenario won't come at all. But I did see. I think Sagar sir had one thing that कि box में like you.
Yeah, you have to bring the king to the color of the
bishop.
bishops.
So I knew about W thing and all
Yes.
these things. And I was remembering that thing that I should put him in a box. So I was imagining a box. Okay, he's in a box, he can't move. He's in a box, he can't move. Luckily, 50 more rule, it got over in 46 moves.
So you counted that also.
And after the game, I checked in the clock. It got over in 46 moves. I was really lucky with this.
So in one position, when his king was on d8, your king was on c6, knight on d5, bishop on a7. He played king c8 and knight e7 fell into mating combination. What if he had played king e8 at that moment? What was your plan then?
I mean, honestly, if you ask me the position, I mean, I won't be able to remember it. But I only knew that I was doing everything right. That W moves squares and bishop boxing the king. So I was just banking on that, and whatever happens, let's see. Just like that.
And everything worked out for you very well. I won't take any much of your time because tomorrow also you have 3 more rounds to play. Thank you very much, Anup, for your valuable time. I wish you all the best for the rest of the tournament.
Thank you.